Alright, welcome to another episode of Premium Solutions Exterior. Today we're in the battle area. We are going to do some roof repair, especially in this area. There is a leaking by the valley and also by that plastic attic ventilation. One thing that I would like to point out is that most of this community or most of these homes has a plastic accessories, which is could be that one all the way across. See the safety anchor boot broken. Main reason of any leaking is because of the exposed nails. See, that one is popping up, this one here. Same here. So you guys can see. We're going to replace that one. Also, one thing is that this home has a lot of moss growing on this side of the home, which is not good. As a roofer, we never recommend to install any kind of antenna on top of the roof. You know, problem is that they causing leaking in the long run. See, this is what happened. This nail is popping up. That one is exposed, and there is another one right there. All right, you guys can see this nail. It's popping up. These nails were just recently pop up. All right, I think it's time to work. I'm going to replace that one and this safety anchor boot. At the end, I'm going to remove a little bit of the valley. Right guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video. there is something wrong here. As you guys can see, these little tiny dots are supposed to be nails here, which is good, you know, holding the shingle on this side. Same with these ones. Problem is these two nails. Well, it used to be two nails here, but I just removed it with the shingles. And as you guys can see, the rusted evidence that is running all the way down. It's really hard to see it, but it's starting from here, because from here to up here there is clear, you know, but from here to down there there's evidence of maybe like that. You guys can see it. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm going to remove this torch down, and then we're going to meter this area and see what we can find. Okay, here we are. First of all, there is a lot of ants, egg, you know. Can barely see it, but there is a lot of ants here. Can you guys see it? All right, now second, remember the two little dots that I showed you before? Was these two. It could be really hard to see it, but the leaking is starting from here and goes down all the way down. Why do I know that? Because from here to the up there is dry. It's all dry, but from here you can clearly see the evidence of the water. All right, time to work. Right, this is how it look with the new band, new anchor boot. There was crack, and new shingles on both sides of the valley. The leakage, it was there, and also was another leaking by that bend. So it has new shingle, and mine looks a little bit different because the old one is fading and this is new, but it's the same color. And this is a metal, it's not plastic. Right, this is Rafael with Premium Solutions Exterior, 425-599-4850. Thank you so much.